We are so excited to welcome you to the Acadiana Pain family. We can't wait to meet you and get started. I'm going to explain a little bit about what to expect whenever you come to our office. First thing you're going to notice is that the environment's going to be different than your typical waiting room in a medical office that's cold and uncaring. That's not who we are. You're going to meet our front office right away, and we're going to go through anything that we need to get you started on the right foot. Logistically, paperwork will make sure all of that stuff's cleared up. Then you're going to meet with your doctor of physical therapy, where we are going to give you one of the most in-depth assessments that you've ever seen or had. We are going to keep digging until we find the root cause of your problem. That often involves movement, that often involves palpation, that often involves lots of testing. We will integrate the best treatments that we can to get you healthy. That might be hands-on care. All of our therapists are highly trained in manual therapy, joint manipulation, joint correction and movement correction, as well as high-level medical dry needling. We have many therapists that specialize in pelvic floor therapy, golf recovery, sports recovery. So we will get you in the right hands no matter what you are coming to us with. When we're looking at giving you outcomes, you're going to hear that our philosophy is much different when it comes to healing, and we believe that in today's world we can integrate the best treatments with the best technology and regenerative therapy to truly restore healthy, healed, native-like tissue for you, not just cover up problems in scar tissue. So we will talk to you about regenerative therapy and how that might be appropriate for your care. We'll go through some movement correction, and you'll see our state-of-the-art gym and equipment and movement therapists, and they will work through all of your corrections and exercises with you. And then we'll show you around some of the advanced treatments in our Hero Health section. This includes things like cryotherapy, high intensity laser therapy, PEMF, vascular and blood flow therapy, infrared therapy that helps improve all the function of your cells and energy production, Normatec, sauna, and much more to come. Every tool that you need to get your body healed and healthy is available at your disposal. And lastly, we're going to sit down to make a plan that's designed just for you based on where you're starting, where you want to go, what are your goals, and what we need to do to get you there. We can't wait to meet you. We're excited to have you.